With innovative features to make cooking effortless, this stylish gas cooker from Canon by Hotpoint is an ideal choice. The main oven has an A+ rating, while the second oven has an A rating for energy efficiency. The main gas oven has a large 76-litre capacity, whereas the second oven is smaller with a 32-litre capacity. There are 4 gas burners on the hob, ranging from 3 different sizes. This means there's loads of room for flexibility when cooking. The Wok Burner on this hob is great if you enjoy cooking fresh food fast. The large ring delivers an intense, concentrated, powerful flame to the bottom of your pans for quick and even cooking. So whether you're deep frying or steaming, the versatile Wok Burner is the perfect choice. This model has innovative catalytic liners in both oven cavities that will help keep your oven clean while you use it. When the oven is on, special liners on the walls absorb and dissolve any food splatters, which can then be easily wiped away. Now you can spend less money on cleaning products and more time enjoying those delicious pasta bakes. If you're looking for a gas cooker with innovative features to make cooking effortless, this stylish model from Canon by Hotpoint is the one for you.